Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to hide our digital well-being application from our app screen in Samsung Galaxy S22. So we have our digital well-being application right here, as you can see. So how to turn it off? We can do it by going to Settings and Digital Wellbeing and Parental Control. But we have our shortcut, so we can do it faster. Digital Wellbeing, and under three dots here we have our settings. In here at the top, show digital wellbeing on apps screen. We can turn it off right here, and now as you can see, this application is no longer there. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.